The quality manual is the second document in the quality system hierarchy. It describes the requirements for the structure and interaction of processes, the structure of documented procedures, and the ownership of those processes, roles, and responsibilities. The quality manual usually contains a diagram with the major processes and the relationships throughout the product lifecycle. Below the quality manual, there are standard operating procedures, SOPs. These documents describe the procedure, what must be done, how it should be done, and who owns the procedure. Below SOPs are work instructions, WIs. Work instructions are also procedures, but written more specifically and with a greater focus and greater detail on how to perform a task. Common practice is to write the procedures and work instruction in a simple, clear manner that can be easily understood by their users. They should be written with sufficient detail on how to perform a task or process. Below work instructions are records. Records are used to provide traceability of actions taken when following procedures and work instructions. Records may be manual or electronic forms that are filled out with data entries and stamped with the signature and date. Section 4.2.3 Medical Device File of ISO 13485-2016 states the following. For each medical device type or medical device family, the organization shall establish and maintain one or more files, either containing or referencing documents generated to demonstrate conformity to the requirements of this international standard and compliance with applicable regulatory requirements. Therefore, the medical device file is a technical dossier that contains one or more files prepared by a device manufacturer, with a collection of information that demonstrates compliance with the regulatory requirements and with the safety and performance for each medical device type of medical device group. The regulatory requirements for medical devices placed on the market in Europe are the MDR and the IVDR. The regulatory requirements for medical devices sold in the US can be found in 21 CFR Part 820. The FDA distinguishes between three different files. Design History File, DHF, according to 21 CFR Part 820.30. Device Master Record, DMR, according to 21 CFR Part 820.181. Device History Record, DHR, according to 21 CFR Part 820.184. The medical device technical files in Europe are referred to as technical documentation. The requirements are defined in Annexes 2, 3, and 4 of the EU MDR 2017-745. The technical documentation file should contain at least the following: description and specification of the medical device, detailed labeling of the device and packaging, instructions for use in the language or languages accepted by the EU member states, information about the design stages and manufacturing activities, name of sites, suppliers, and subcontractors, safety and performance requirements, benefit risk analysis and risk management, preclinical and clinical trial data, post-market surveillance planning and report, EU Declaration of Conformity. Design History File, DHF, Device Master Record, DMR, and Device History Record, DHR, are the required collections of documents that medical device developers must assemble and make available to auditors to prove compliance, gain FDA approval, and market their devices in the US.